Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play with friends on eFootball. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on where it says Dream Team or the match over here at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now to play against your friend, you need to create a custom match. So click on friend match and you can create a custom match from here. Now from inside friend match, click and create 1 versus 1 match room. And over here, you can turn the set password on to set a password for the room. But if you don't want to, you can just keep it off and click and create at the bottom right and move to the next step. And once you're in the next step, it's going to give you a bunch of number and you want to send that number to your friend so your friend can enter the room. So this is my room number. So I need to click on the copy button at the top right of the screen. Once I click on it, the room number will be copied. Now I need to send this room number to my friend. And once my friend receives the room number, what he needs to do is this. So once you send your number to your friend needs to do exactly what I do, alright? First, your friend needs to click on where it says Dream Team at the bottom of your screen. And then he needs to click on Friend Match. And from over here, he needs to go and search Match Room and paste the room number which you sent him. Once he pastes the room number over here, he needs to click on where it says OK. Once he clicks on OK, he needs to click on Search. Once he clicks on search, the room will be linked with him and he will be able to join your room and both of you can play the match. That's how you guys can play with friends on eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.